Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my kitchen set. Okay, let's see this. Okay, let's start. By fridge. Guys, this is my fridge. Okay, let's open it. Okay, this is fridge. And this is style. And this is a oven. Okay, I will put it in this plate. Let's close it. And this is a drinking glass. So small and so nice also. This is a sink. Stack. Stove. Bowls. And this is spoons. And this is plates. 4 plates is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also plate. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And guys, this is my kitchen set. ఓకే గాయ్స్, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కన బెల్ కూడా కొట్టండి. బాయ్ బాయ్. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ డౌన్లోడ్. ప్లీజ్ నాట్ dislike. Please, please, please.